So this is how it looks like when it comes. Shock absorber, mounting plate, adjuster and body. Open the body and take the shock absorber. Ring should face downwards. Like that, and then tight really hard so it squeeze here and here around the clamps. Should squeeze really hard. Put the mounting plate with the handles on either side, left or right, with screw heads sticking out maximum 6 millimeters. Then slide onto the slide plate. Hold out the handle. Like that. If this handle doesn't naturally come out here but 180 degrees away, just pull out the handle and twist the slide plate and repeat the procedure so both handles end up the same way. When handles are in place, last thing you do is just put in the stop screw all the way.